So we are removing the bushing in a steam radiator. This one was cut in the thread, and we remove the spud first. There is a spud wrench what you can use to take that out. This is already the new one, and it leaked because there is a cut in the thread down there. So we have to remove that piece. I have from an old radiator a used one where the thread is still okay. So that one I'm going to put in this radiator. There's a little corrosion on there already. From that hot steam, it's like eaten away on that metal. So we're using a pipe wrench to break this loose. I have one here. If we look at the writing on it, it's heavy duty, 18-inch. Right, that's for kindergarten. Forget about that, you need something bigger. Let me get this puppy out here. Look at this one, that's much bigger. Now let's look at the writing. It is made out of aluminum and also HD heavy duty, but it's 36-inch, right? That has a little more pull to it, and you still need an extension on that handle there. Important that you set it on pretty tight. There, nice and tight, and then you just have to give it a lot of force. The good part with big screws. There we go, come on. Yeah, there we go. So the larger the screw, or the nut here in this case, the more force you need. And really the easier it's to get off. It's not that difficult, you just need a lot of pull. And I'm just out of breath because I'm fat. But you really have to pull. If you're like Arnold, there should be no big deal to get that thing off. And it's a little bit work now, but if you have it out, just plug the new one in, and that's it. So once this one pops out, I'm going to fast forward for the part of putting it together, just to make this movie not too long. It's like a short 5-minute thing, but there's no need for any heat or anything. If this doesn't come loose, you just need more force and the bigger wrench.